Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress Maintenance team here at Valet. The WordCamp US organizing team announced this week that there will be no event in 2020. You can know more in the link at the description, and we are looking forward to see all of you again in 2021, either on an online or offline event. We're 2 weeks away from the release of WordPress 5.5 expected on August 11th. It's the biggest update in a year and a half, and we want to make a roundup of the major upcoming changes. Better manual theme and plugin updates with zip files and auto updates for plugins and themes, a feature that has been requested for so long, similar to core auto updates. With plugins updating automatically, a full visual regression testing is a complementary service you should have on your site. We at Valet already do visual regression testing on each of our updates as part of our maintenance plan. And what is this testing that we do? We compare all main navigation pages before and after a plugin is updated. If it's pixel perfect, we push the update to the live site. The next 5.5 feature is speed. Your site will load faster. WordPress 5.5 brings a lot of performance enhancements to its core, and we'll see big improvements on speed without any caching. Native XML sitemaps is another great feature that will arrive in the next version. We no longer need a third-party plugin to generate this. And to finish this video, one of the greatest improvements is lazy loading of images. This means that WordPress will not load by default images that are not present on the viewport of the screen, reducing the assets that are needed to load the first bit of the page that is actually visible on the screen. Stay tuned to our social media to learn more about the upcoming release. Follow at the WP Valet on Twitter, and you can use hello@valet.io to get in touch with us. Have a wonderful weekend!